Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Telegram app. And here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here, we have to swipe to the right. And then in this section, we have to tap on settings. Now in settings, under the account section, we tap on our phone number. Then we can just continue by tapping on change number. And then we tap on change again and just write in our new phone number if we have changed it for whatever reason and need to update our account. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.